It was 140 years ago when the Roubion family first opened their doors for business. Today, it's easy to see why Roubion Shoring is now considered the #1 shoring company in the metro New Orleans area.
Well, we raise, we level, we realign homes. Basically what we do is we set you on a solid foundation.
And whether Roubion is setting your home straight or raising it 5, 10, even 15 feet off the ground, this family-owned and operated company uses the most state-of-the-art equipment like the unified jacking system.
This is the machine that actually makes your house go up all at one time.
And the most cutting-edge techniques.
We ended up coming in and pushing pilings underneath his load-bearing sections right here.
When Dr. John Cook and his family came back to their historic Garden District home after Katrina, this is what they came home to.
This crown molding had fallen. These baseboards had separated and moved around.
The damage may not look too severe, but it was.
And apparently we had been hit by enough wind or a tornado to shift our house off the foundation.
But Roubion had the equipment and expertise to get the job done right, and Dr. Cook couldn't be more pleased with the results.
Roubion's the only place that I'd go.
Roubion was also the easy choice for the owners of this Lakeview home, who decided to go for a new look when they raised their home after Katrina.
This is really a unique look to raising a slab house. Explain exactly what you all did here.
Well, what we did, we actually took a slab house that was a brick veneer house and gave it a different look altogether. We gave it a West Indies look.
In addition to giving it a new look, Roubion raised the home using their unique slab separation technique.
So this is actually the best way, and it's actually cheaper than raising an entire slab house.
You're taking the frame, raising the frame from the original foundation.
That's correct.
Engineer Mike Gertler says slab separation is definitely the smartest, safest way to elevate because, for starters, the structural integrity of the home isn't compromised.
If you're trying to raise a whole slab, it becomes very unstable when it's 2 feet in the air. To try to get it 12 feet in the air is ridiculous.
So when Gertler needed to raise his historic 4,000 square foot home in Old Mandeville 14 feet off the ground,
I picked Roubion without even interviewing other contractors because I knew of their technical expertise and having dealt with them for years.
And like Dr. Cook, he couldn't be more pleased with the results, and you can see why. Roubion Shoring, continuing to raise the bar in the shoring industry.
You're going to find a really family-owned and operated company. We've been around for 140 years. I, myself, and my brother are 6th generation. It's something that we intend on being around for a long time.
A company committed to raising, elevating, and rebuilding the metro New Orleans area today, tomorrow, and for many years to come.